Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I transform my pantry using storage bins from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree didn't have any of the really cute bins, so I just stuck with some white bins, and then I got some snack bins as well as little storage containers for my flour and sugar. So the first thing that I'm going to do is clean out my pantry and get everything out so that I have a clean slate to work with. Now that everything is out of my pantry and all over my counters making a huge mess, I'm going to quickly go ahead and clean the bottom of the pantry. I actually never got around to doing this when we first moved in, and so there's still sawdust and drywall dust all over the floor, so I'm going to go ahead and mop that up. Now I'm just going to go through everything in the pantry, check expiration dates, and just throw away anything that is old. I'm going to begin putting my cans in first. I would love to get some of those can holders, but my Dollar Tree didn't have any, and I know for a fact Lowe's does, so I'm going to have to go back and get some can organizers, but for now, this is just how I'm going to place them in there. Also on the top shelf, I'm going to be placing my pastas as well as any of my cooking oils and vinegars. On this next shelf, I'm placing rices as well as instant mashed potatoes, and then I'm using this little bin to place in our easy dinners. My son loves these little broccoli and cheddar sides for lunches. And now I'm just using one of the big white bins and I'm placing all of our breads inside of it. Using the other white bin, I'm going to be using this for snacks. And then I'm going to be using one of these little safe and seal things for my son's cereal. Using one of the shallower white bins, I'm using that for some popcorn. And then I already had these big teal bins from Target, but I am just going to be reusing them, obviously, and I'm using the first one for all of my son's snacks. He's getting to an age where he needs to learn to pick out his own snack. And so, yeah, I'm just filling it up with all of his snacks.
Thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, and more than a letter to each other. Go wipe out what's on my mind.
And then the other teal bin I'm actually going to be using for my husband's lunch snacks so that they're easy to find for him. Before, his snacks were just all over the pantry, and I know he probably had a hell of a time trying to get it all together. And now I'm just going to place everything back into the pantry. And then I had this little extra white shallow bin, so I'm just using that to place in any onions and potatoes that I might have in the future, but for right now it's just one of each. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is use these little containers for my flour and sugar. I don't keep these in my pantry, but I thought that these would be really useful, so I'm just showing you guys how I use them.
I need to let go.
guys, that is going to be it for my Dollar Tree pantry organization video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I feel like my pantry looks 100 times better. I know where everything is and I'm so happy about it. I put my husband's little Pringles down there, as well as hung up a little hook for some plastic bags, and I am just so happy with it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.